Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our data analytics tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about the five main steps of data analytics used in most data projects. There are the five main steps in data analytics process. In data extractions, we collect raw data from different sources. In data transformation, we clean and organize the data. In data loading, we put the data in the right tool so we can work with it. In data analysis, we look for useful information and patterns. And in the final step, data visualization, we show the results using charts or graphs. These steps are used in most every data project, whether it is in business, healthcare, finance, marketing, or even sports. Now, let's take a closer look at each steps one by one. In the data extraction step, we collect data from different places depending on what the data project needs. The data can come from many sources like a website or online store, a mobile app, customer database, CSV file or Excel sheet, a public API like weather updates or social media information, or even from sensors or smart devices like fitness trackers or machines. This is the first step whether we gather the raw data before we clean or organize it. For example, let's say we work for a retail shop. We want to find out which products are selling the most. To do that, you start by collecting sales data from the systems that records every purchase. This is called a point of sale system. The data you collect might include a order number, a the product name, the price of the item, the date it was bought, and the location of the customer. The goal here is to gather raw data that you will clean and prepare in the next steps. To collect or extract data, we can use different tools depend on whether the data is coming from. There are few common tools we use to collect data. SQL is used to get the data from database. Python is great for collecting data from websites or online services called APIs. Excel or Google Sheets can be used when you download or copy data manually. ETL tools like Talent, Apache Nifi, or Power Query help move and organize data from one system to another. These tools make it easier to bring all the data you need into one place. The second steps in the data analytics process is called data transformation. This is one of the most important steps because the data we collect at the beginning, what we call raw data, is often messy, unorganized, and hard to work with. If we try to analyze data like this without fixing it first, we might get wrong answers or confusing results. That's why data transformation is so important. In the data transformation step, we normally clean the data by fixing spelling mistakes or removing duplicate rows. Make sure things like dates, prices, and numbers are written in the same format so everything is consistent and easy to work with. Fill in missing values either by using averages or just removing rows with missing data. Create new columns like pulling out the table name from a full date. In the example of retail store, you notice that the sales column sometimes has prices written as 29.99 and sometimes just 29.99. You clean this so all the prices from the same format. Also, your purchase date column has mixed formats like 1/4/2023, or another format is April 1, comma 2023, or another format is 2023 has 04 has 01. So you need to standard format. So your standardizations these to one consistent format. Say year slash month slash date. You might also rename columns uh, to be more readable. For example, cust underscore ID become customer underscore ID. It will be more readable. Create new column called sales quarter using the purchase date. To clear and prepare data, which is called data transformations, we can use a few helpful tools. Some of the most common ones are Excel, good for basic tasks like removing duplicates or fixing errors. Power Query, found in Excel or Power BI, great for organizing and cleaning data. Python with pandas, used for more advanced cleaning and handling large amount of data. SQL, helpful for cleaning data directly inside a database. These tools make it easier to fix messy data so we can use it for analysis. Uh, I will talk about the rest of the steps in the next video. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you.